So this is the finished product and it does glow in blue light, especially if you use the neon colors from the palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So here's a finished product of the makeup. And it looks really nice. The mirror did a great job highlighting my face and making sure it was nice and bright so I could put on the makeup very accurately. So perfect for getting ready for Halloween or just if you like face painting your face in general. So here's the makeup in normal lighting. As you could see, it looks really nice. The mirror really gives out a lot of accuracy for those little fine lines. So it's perfect if you do your makeup on a regular basis or if you just like doing face paint